Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to create oxygen and energy in the form of sugar. There are generally 4 steps of the photosynthesis process. 1. Absorption of light. 2. Transfer of electron. 3. Production of ATP. 4. Carbon fixation. Digestion in humans. The human digestive system. The digestive system of the human body comprises a group of organs working together to convert food into energy for the body. Anatomically, the digestive system is made up of the gastrointestinal tract, along with accessory organs such as the liver, pancreas, and gallbladder. The hollow organs that make up the gastrointestinal tract, GI tract, include the mouth, stomach, esophagus, small intestine, and large intestine that contains the rectum and anus. Parts of the human digestive system. 1. Mouth. 2. Pharynx. 3. Esophagus. 4. Stomach. 5. Small intestine. 6. Large intestine. 7. Rectum. Accessory organs. Tongue. Pancreas. Liver. Gallbladder. What are accessory organs? Accessory organs are organs which are not part of the digestive system. However, they aid in the digestion process by performing many secondary functions. The main accessory organs of the digestive system are the tongue, liver, pancreas, and gallbladder. Digestion process. The process of digestion begins from the mouth and ends in the small intestine. The large intestine's main function is to absorb the remaining water from the undigested food and enable bacterial fermentation of materials that can no longer be digested. The digestion process consists of the 6 following steps. Ingestion, mixing and movement, secretion, digestion, absorption, excretion, respiration in humans. The lungs and respiratory system allow us to breathe. They bring oxygen into our bodies, called inspiration or inhalation, and send carbon dioxide out, called expiration or exhalation. This exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide is called respiration. Parts of respiratory system. 1. Nose. 2. Mouth. 3. Throat. 4. Voice box. 5. Windpipe. 6. Lungs. How do the lungs and respiratory system work? The cells in our bodies need oxygen to stay alive. Carbon dioxide is made in our bodies as cells do their jobs. The lungs and respiratory system allow oxygen in the air to be taken into the body, while also letting the body get rid of carbon dioxide in the air breath out. When you breathe in, the diaphragm moves downward toward the abdomen, and the rib muscles pull the ribs upward and outward. This makes the chest cavity bigger and pulls air through the nose or mouth into the lungs. In exhalation, the diaphragm moves upward and the chest wall muscles relax, causing the chest cavity to get smaller and push air out of respiratory system through the nose or mouth. Every few seconds, with each inhalation, air fills a large portion of the millions of alveoli. In a process called diffusion, oxygen moves from the alveoli to the blood through the capillaries, tiny blood vessels, lining the alveolar walls. Once in the bloodstream, oxygen gets picked up by the hemoglobin in red blood cells. This oxygen-rich blood then flows back to the heart, which pumps it through the arteries to oxygen-hungry tissues throughout the body. In the tiny capillaries of the body tissues, oxygen is freed from the hemoglobin and moves into the cells. Carbon dioxide, made by the cells as they do their work, moves out of the cells into the capillaries, where most of it dissolves in the plasma of the blood. Blood rich in carbon dioxide then returns to the heart via the veins. From the heart, this blood is pumped to the lungs, where carbon dioxide passes into the alveoli to be exhaled.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job.